Welcome to Pating Reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the CYBERPOWERPC Luxe Prebuilt Gaming PC. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this Prebuilt gaming PC for yourself and get an amazing price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Hey there gamers, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got something super exciting to talk to you about. It's the CYBERPOWERPC Luxe Gaming PC. And I'm going to tell you why you need this beast of a gaming machine in your life. But first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're ready for some epic gaming power. Alright, let's dive into the pros and cons of this awesome pre-built gaming PC. Number 1 is this incredible power. This PC packs an Intel Core i9 11900KF processor with 8 cores and 16 threads. That means super fast speeds for all your games. Number 2 is the top-notch graphics. It's got the Nvidia RTX 3060 with a whopping 12 gigabytes of Vram. That means your games are going to look stunning with ray tracing and DLSS. Number 3 is loads of RAM. With 32 gigabytes of RAM, you can run all your games and apps smoothly without any lag. Number 4 is the Speedy Storage. The 1TB NVMe SSD loads games in a flash. No more waiting around. Number 5 is cool and quiet. Thanks to the liquid cooling and the 4 RGB LED fans, it stays cool under pressure and it looks cool too. Number 6 is the Windows 11. It comes with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, so you're all set for the latest gaming features. And number 7 is great connectivity. You get plenty of USB ports, Wi-Fi, and high definition audio for a complete gaming experience. And the cons, it's pricey. Well folks, one downside is that this gaming powerhouse doesn't come cheap. But reminder, you're getting a top of the line performance. So why do you need the CYBERPOWERPC Luxe Gaming PC? If you're a serious gamer who wants the best performance without the hassle of building a PC from scratch, this is for you. It's ready to rock right out of the box, and you'll be dominating your favorite games in no time. Thanks for tuning in everyone, and if you'd like to check out this pre-built game PC for yourself and get an amazing price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it the best possible price.